Hello, my name is Amey Holden. I am from England, but I currently live in Australia. My current role is a CX specialist in Dynamics and Power Platform. What that really means, I'm an ABC consultant. I'll do anything in Dynamics and the Power Platform, apart from write you a lump of code. There's three things that I really gained from Mark's 90-day mentor challenge. First was the reassurance that I was doing the right things, and also how to get more out of the things that I was already doing. The second one, it really inspired my reading. Mark provided a wealth of information in terms of books to read, which really helped me focus on my soft skills as well as my technical knowledge. It's really helped me both in work and also in life outside of that. Definitely the negotiation book, check it out. Thirdly, it's helped me to connect with others who are on a similar journey to me. To know that I'm not alone and everyone's going through it. Everyone's got a different path, but we're all going to learn along the way. So sharing that with people was an amazing experience. Being part of the challenge is like drinking from a fire hose. It's like a practice run of being an MVP. But be prepared to be infected by Mark's overwhelming enthusiasm, knowledge, and wisdom that he has to share. It'd be a real shame to miss out, and I'm really grateful for the experience that I had. Thank you so much, Mark.